Good morning, ma'am and sir. I am Honorata Castillo, 45 years old from Philippines. I am single. I have kid, 18 years old, and studying in the university. I work in Singapore for 12 years. My work there is taking care of newborn kids, grown-up kids. And I also have experience in elderly care because I am a certified caregiver and I do voluntary work in nursing home in Singapore. I work here in Hong Kong for 7 months with the Australian family. My work here is cooking, cleaning the house, car wash, taking care of dogs, and do housework like cleaning, go market like that. I am hard working. I can cook different cuisine like Asian and Western food. I am focused in my work. I have initiative. My personality is I am proactive. I have a good learning and listening attitude. I am independent and I have initiative in my work. I can my prepared work is doesn't matter or if baby or newborn kids or elderly. It's okay to me. I can work with co-helpers or I can work alone. Thank you, ma'am. Please check my profile and helpers library app.